In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify identity and address on Google AdSense. Verifying your account is essential for receiving payments and keeping your account in good standing. Before you start, have a valid government-issued ID ready, make sure your AdSense profile details are accurate, and find a well-lit space with a camera that focuses clearly. First, sign into your AdSense account. Use the account that's linked to your site or channel, and for best results, do this on a desktop browser with a stable internet connection. Once you're in, go to the left-hand menu and open Payments. This is where AdSense handles both identity and address verification tasks. Look for the verification check prompt. When it appears, select it to begin. You'll be asked for your legal name. Enter it exactly as it appears on your government ID. Same spelling, order, and any accents, hyphens, or middle names. Avoid nicknames and make sure the name matches the payee profile shown in your payment settings to prevent delays. Next, choose the type of ID you're going to use, such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license, depending on what's accepted in your country. You'll then take clear photos of the front and back. Place the document on a flat surface, use bright, indirect light to reduce glare, and keep all four corners visible. Turn off portrait filters, don't crop or edit the images, and confirm the document isn't expired and the text is readable. You'll be prompted to complete a live photo. Follow the on-screen instructions, typically facing the camera and slowly turning your head left and right. Keep your face centered, remove hats or reflective glasses, and hold the device steady at eye level. If you have issues with focus or lighting, try moving closer to a window or switching to a device with a better camera. When everything looks good, submit your information. The online check usually completes within a few minutes. You'll see a confirmation in your AdSense account and may receive an email as well. If the review takes longer, avoid submitting multiple times. Just wait for the status to update. If your verification is not approved, carefully review the reason given, then retake your photos with better lighting, re-enter your legal name exactly as shown on your ID, and make sure your address, details, and payments are accurate and up to date. That's it. Your identity and address verification in AdSense is underway, and once confirmed, you're all set to receive payouts without interruption.